Hello students, this video is going to be very useful for you because in this video we are going to learn 100 plus synonyms. So let's begin with the first one, sufficient, adequate, enough, ample, satisfactory. Important, significant, vital, essential, crucial. People, individuals, humans, society, population. Increase, rise, grow, surge, expand. Decrease, decline, drop, reduce, fall. Education, learning, schooling, instructions, training. Use, utilize, apply, employ, operate. Agree, accept, approve, consent, concur. Disagree, oppose, refuse, reject, contradict. Environment, surroundings, habitat, ecosystem, atmosphere. Idea, thought, notion, concept, opinion. Improve, enhance, develop, upgrade, refine. Effect, impact, influence, consequence, outcome. Common, ordinary, typical, frequent, usual. Uncommon, rare, exceptional, infrequent, scarce. Various, different, diverse, several, numerous. Significant, important, meaningful, substantial, notable. Method, approach, technique, strategy, procedure. Urban, city-based, metropolitan, civic, municipal. Rural, countryside, rustic, agricultural, provincial. Compulsory, mandatory, obligatory, required, enforced. Optional, voluntary, elective, non-compulsory, discretionary. Accurate, precise, correct, exact, true. Cause, result in, lead to, bring about, trigger. Change, alter, modify, transform, adjust. Help, assist, aid, support, facilitate. Friendly, amiable, sociable, cordial, kind. Famous, renowned, well-known, notable, celebrated. Many, numerous, multiple, countless, several. Essential, necessary, crucial, vital, indispensable. Fast, fast, quick, rapid, swift, speedy. Development, growth, progress, advancement, improvement. Make, produce, form, construct, create. Angry, mad, furious, enraged, annoyed. Rich, wealthy, affluent, prosperous, well off. Poor, needy, impoverished, penniless, destitute. Loud, noisy, deafening, boisterous, thunderous. Quiet, quiet, silent, peaceful, calm, still. Clever, intelligent, smart, witty, sharp. Bad, awful, terrible, poor, unpleasant. Beautiful, attractive, lovely, gorgeous, stunning. Challenge, difficulty, hurdle, obstacle, barrier. Get, acquire, obtain, secure, receive. Come, arrive, approach, enter, reach. Small, tiny, miniature, petite, compact. Amazing, astounding, incredible, extraordinary, wonderful. Happy, joyful, cheerful, content, pleased. Calm, peaceful, tranquil, serene, composed. Find, detect, discover, locate, uncover. Develop, grow, advance, evolve, progress. Very, extremely, greatly, exceptionally, highly. Modern, contemporary, current, advanced, up to date. Pollution, contamination, impurity, toxification, degradation. Usually, generally, commonly, typically, normally. Students, pupils, scholars, learners, apprentice. Teachers, instructors, guides, educators, mentors. Logical, sensible, rational, coherent, reasonable. Big, large, huge, enormous, substantial. Brave, courageous, fearless, bold, heroic. Profession, occupation, trade, career, vocation. Tourists, visitors, sightseers, travelers, vacationers. Advantage, benefits, profit, upper hand, asset. Disadvantage, drawback, downside, liability, pitfall. Old people, elderly, seniors, aged, elders. World, universe, earth, globe, planet. Negative, adverse, unfavorable, pessimistic, disapproving. Problem, issue, complication, dilemma, difficulty. Awful, terrible, horrible, dreadful, unpleasant. Gather, accumulate, collect, assemble, convene. Traditional, conventional, classic, customary, established. Dull, boring, uninteresting, tedious, monotonous. Government, administration, regime, authority, leadership. Expensive, pricey, costly, high priced, overpriced. Consume, use, ingest, devour, absorb. Funny, amusing, comical, humorous, entertaining. Encourage, promote, motivate, inspire, support. Reducing, decreasing, lowering, lessening, diminishing. Brief, short, concise, compact, succinct. Train, teach, educate, instruct, coach. Weaknesses, shortcomings, flaws, limitations, drawbacks. Strict, rigid, stringent, stern, demanding. Dangerous, risky, perilous, hazardous, unsafe. Games, sports, activities, pastimes, competitions. New, fresh, modern, recent, novel. Good, excellent, beneficial, fine, suitable. Communication, interaction, transmission, correspondence, contact. Sad, unhappy, sorrowful, downcast, mournful. Wrong, incorrect, inaccurate, mistaken, faulty. Difference, variation, discrepancy, contrast, distinction. Disagree, object, differ, oppose, conflict. Legal, lawful, legitimate, authorized, permitted. Effective, efficient, productive, successful, powerful. Conflict, dispute, clash, struggle, battle. Begin, start, initiate, commence, launch. Easy, simple, effortless, manageable, uncomplicated. Children, kids, minors, youngsters, youth. Solution, remedy, way out, answer, resolution. Show, reveal, exhibit, display, demonstrate. Weak, feeble, frail, delicate, lacking. Strong, powerful, sturdy, robust, mighty. Views, opinions, perspective, beliefs, standpoint. Band, group, squad, troop, ensemble. Destroy, ruin, demolish, eliminate, annihilate. Bad effects, harmful impact, detriments, negative outcomes, adverse effects. Agree, approve, concur, consent, settle. Program, plan, schedule, agenda, scheme. Humankind, mankind, humanity, species, civilization. Information, data, knowledge, facts, details. Youth, teenagers, youngsters, adolescents, juvenile. Migrating, moving, relocating, emigrating, transferring. Fat, overweight, obese, chubby, plump. Old fashioned, outdated, traditional, antique, dated. Control, regulate, manage, direct, supervise. Country, nation, land, state, homeland. Increase, boost, raise, enhance, amplify. Describe, explain, portray, depict, illustrate. Lack, absence, shortage, scarcity, deficiency. Environment, surroundings, habitat, ecosystem, setting. Acceptable, permissible, tolerable, satisfactory, reasonable. Continue, persist, proceed, carry on, endure. Parents, guardians, caretakers, elders, relatives. Reduce, lessen, decrease, diminish, curtail. That's all for the day. Thank you so much.